What's up, Eddie? Today I'm gonna be doing a video with this dog, with my baby dog, and then so we're just gonna be doing a video. Okay, so yeah, tune in. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys is to do Space Gangster. So the robot, the supercar, the drone, and the super tank. So first, what I'm going to show you is to get the car. I'm doing this video with my cousin, right, Alex?
Yeah, I'm right here.
So you guys see the screen? That's what we're gonna get. So what we're gonna be doing is gonna do it. So what we're gonna be doing is
So guys, so you see all of this? It's cool, right?
yeah.
Hey guys.
What do you want from me, Hasiel?
What about the sofa?
Get away from me.
You gotta go to it.
Leave me
You
alone.
gotta go to the sofa.
Who said?
Really?
Who said?
Hasiel, I just heard mommy say something that we could be in here and you could be in here.
Okay, I can be in here.
You just stay over there. You can stay over there.
So I'm gonna be sure. So look. Oh yeah, and Alex, you don't know what supercar. You didn't seen the supercar that I found in this.
But I found the robot.
You did not find the robot. We found it together.
Well, I kind of knew where it was, but you didn't want to listen to me.
Okay, you did. So we found it. So my brother right here is not going to be in the video. He's just going to be looking. So anyways, yeah. So I'm going to put my body cam now. See, look, I'm right here, and this is my cousin.
So
And my brother's right here, who's not in the video.
only for like that.
Yeah, just that. Okay, whatever. So we'll get back to the game. All right. So now I'm going to show you where the drone is. And there's a drone here, Alex. You know that, right?
You go up onto that building where if you were with the robot, you could find. It's like the easiest thing in the world to find. You go into that building, the spire. It's very easy to find. It's pretty much right in the middle, and there's one right there that you can get fast and easy. Right? So there's a drone right there. So see,
You just need to take these people out. That's all you have to
just
do.
grapple hook them,
And then when you get them, kick them in the freaking face.
and then just go that one, kick them in the face. Well, if you have a gun, then you can just shoot them,
I got weapons.
but you could just hit them with a freaking ping pong bat and crap, boom.
Ping pong.
But yeah, that's how you get the drone.
I got the axe.
Yeah.
I like using the axe. I don't have no ammo. Okay, whatever. I got my little pistol.
Well,
Hold up, I need to upgrade my dude.
Yeah.
I don't have no scope points.
Whatever.
Okay, so
Let's just go into the drone.
So-
if you're a fan of this game, it's really easy to find the mega tank.
yeah. So what you want to go is to a secret facility.
Just
To the
touch it.
supercar? You're not in the video. So what you want to do is
You go over there into the military base.
into a secret facility, not the military base, because the military base is
They
not-
will shoot you down.
They will shoot you down. We're not gonna go to the military base. We're gonna get the super tank. Well, the super tank is in the military, but
But we just sneak in.
we sneak in the military. But the military, it's like
It's crazy.
military's crazy. So what you want to do is just go over
Wait.
there. I'm a terrorist.
Donald Trump hates us. No, I'm just playing.
I'm a terrorist.
And
I'm blowing up New York where he is.
now he can go down. And there's like if we go onto the map,
Come close. Oh, I'm gonna take out the drone. This one. I'm gonna take this drone out. Oh my god! Dang it! No.
you have to jump out whenever that goes because it'll explode.
Yeah.
You just have to take those quick.
Criminal.
And then like you pretty much win everything. Hey, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, and leave a like and subscribe and tell in the comments
Which one did you like?
the most. So you already know the drone. Now we're gonna go to the
Supercar.
supercar. Wait, no, not the supercar. Hold on. So what we're gonna be doing is oh my god, dang it! So we're gonna go to the supercar.
Hey, oh yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Slitherio Alex. And well, like and comment.
So
on
my
the
cousin
videos.
has his own. So yeah. And Alex, do you really play? Are you really talking about your YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Do you really have a YouTube channel?
yeah.
Stop lying, because these are real people watching.
That's stupid. Oh, well, here we're gonna get the supercar.
Supercar? What do you mean supercar? I'm gonna get some guns.
Ugh, ads. I hate ads. So yeah.
I'm gonna need from a shotgun, baby. Oh, no, it's this one. Dang it. Okay.
Just keep buying a lot.
Okay, now, let's see. How much does my shotgun have? Yes! Sorry. What? How do you not die? Oh, whatever.
Oh yeah, he doesn't die. He's just immortal. You just try and rob him by seconds, but whatever. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a new channel for GTA 5 tips and secrets and the unsolved mystery of
Easter
Mount
egg.
called Rio. Easter egg of Mount called Rio.
It's not. It's called What is the mountain called?
Mount Caldero.
It's not called Mount Caldero.
Caldero.
It's not called Caldero, bro.
You don't have GTA. I was the one who had GTA.
I'm the one who had GTA in front of you guys first.
Yeah, but you have. And plus, if you do it right, you can get a jetpack. It'll be at the military base, just to know. So yeah. Whenever you go onto that mountain to like skydive or whatever.
What's the mountain called?
Mount Caldero.
So I'm going to show you how to get... Okay, so guys, what you want to do is just go over here. And here's going to be the supercar. Alex, get over here. So over here is the supercar by the other bay, by the military base. Because the military base is over here, and then you want to go over here.
So you go over here.
Yeah.
And then...
Oh, it's the supercar. And guys, I'm not lying. It's freaking awesome. There's like future cars here, like the freaking suckiest cars in the world. I'm going to show you how to get a nice one. And boom, right here it is. See? It's nice, huh?
And it's fast.
Bro, yeah, I mean fast.
It's a Ferrari.
Yeah. I'm gonna skirt it. Skirt. Okay, so now we're gonna go get
to the mega tank.
The mega tank.
Well, I have to go, guys.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. So we got it. Ha ha ha.
I'm sorry.
I had to blow up my supercar. Whatever. So guys, that's the end of the video. So please subscribe. And in my next episode, I am going to be showing you how to do a hack in this. So, okay. So bye.